Good morning, everyone. Hello, hello. How are you guys? How is your morning so far? Okay, guys. How are you guys? How is your morning? Adjusting my chart, guys. How is the quality of the video, guys? It's okay? Hope you guys you had perfect morning so far. So nice sell off on gold. Also, I still watching drop on silver. If you may get this, of course. Nice sell off on gold. Silver December contract, because I feel like it's different from, yeah, let's see. I'm wondering if silver can do this as well. Watching this sort of drop. Let's see if am I engaged in this. But gold already dropped a lot, so interesting drop. And yesterday we had news, I believe, after market opened. I mean, daily candle opened. It delivered to equal lows and then reversed to previous week high. So basically, we finally took previous week high level. We finally broke the range, previous week range, right? You think silver goes to 38.19? Maybe. Let me adjust. Yeah, like this. Yeah, done. Okay, watching for this sell-off on silver. We have some liquidity levels lower. Not in yet. I hope to engage in this trade. So I'm wondering if we may close below this level, not this level, this level over here. Can we sell down? So maybe, yeah, stop loss at this swing high, entry, sell. Let's see what we have on gold real quick. Okay, nothing significant happened on 1 hour chart. I would say nothing really significant happened last 5 hours on gold, but nice sell off because we got potential sweeps on 4 hour chart, on hourly chart, and 30-minute chart. Well, let's see, it may continue dropping. I'm going to keep my eyes right now on silver as well. Yeah, I would like to see slightly lower. I'm wondering about stop loss for now. I'm looking for the probable trade on silver, but not sure yet. Nice drop, nice. Especially 3-minute chart offered solid entry on this 3-minute OB. But it's only 7 points, you know, like still like 50-50. Okay, let's see what we have on NQ and ES. So nothing like interesting is going on so far, but yesterday since we got news, it dropped. It was trying to take equilibrium of Friday range, but it was like, especially ES was 1 point away. I still would like to see, I guess, lower to take the equilibrium of Friday range, but at the same time, YM took equilibrium of Friday range. So let's see, maybe it will do something like this. Or just move down. I would like to see equilibrium of Friday range, honestly, guys. I'm not going to lie. Sorry, guys. Watching for 363 on NQ at least. So it's my key level. Good morning, good morning. I just feel like it's a bit more bearish, just for now, on NQ and ES. That's hourly chart. Yeah, maybe a slightly higher at the open, then drop to New York midnight open, London low, and final target is going to be equilibrium Friday range. I expect to get equilibrium Friday range yesterday. But yes, yesterday offered nice drop. I was in this trade on ES. Let's see if we get pump and reactions in. Five-minute chart. Three-minute chart. Okay, it's 9:09 only, so we don't have empty model just yet. We have nothing. But once again, I don't mind to see slightly higher first. Maybe to Asia high, maybe. And then look for short. Let's see if I get this. I hope so. Okay, we have SMT with ES. I don't think like it's important SMT, to be honest. Still too early to talk about this. Okay, no entry on silver just yet. Gold. To anticipate continuation, I would like to see slightly, like minor retracement up. Even if it wants to retrace, like continue going lower, we need to see this retracement first. Like maybe like this. To fair value gap. Then continuation, but I will use 3-minute OB at this point. Or it's going to offer OB over here and just going to be sell from this order block, which is, I wouldn't say perfect. I would like to see retesting this fair value gap, looking for short to sell side. Feels like equals. Not perfect, like, but still. And Q daily. So yes, we're expecting daily fair value gap. If you want to tell me about this potential SIP not confirmed just yet. So I wouldn't say it's important just for now. So how to confirm this potential daily sweep? We need to close above sequence of down close candles on a 1-hour chart. So we'll be bullish to previous day high level only above this level over here. Not right now. No reason for me to be bullish just yet, I would say. Maybe wrong, but already said, I will look for potential continuation higher above Asia high. So at this point, it may create hourly order block. Right? Okay, I'm going to wait because as you can see, we're trading inside the range since 9 p.m. on ES and NQ. So I will probably wait for the break above Asia high first. Maybe at the open it will offer Judah swing or something like this. And if empty model will offer short opportunity, it will be nice to short to London low and probably equilibrium Friday range at 363.50, 64.25 on ES. Okay, silver quite choppy right now, so nothing is going on. Very choppy. Okay. You seem tired? Like 50-50, yeah. As I said, it's still hard for me to wake up at 4:45 a.m. Yeah. Working on this, but still hard to wake up. Gold analysis. So gold still trades inside high time frame range. And yesterday I said I'm bullish on gold to previous week high level, but I wasn't really bullish on silver. On silver, I still would like to see maybe lower. And yes, we got reaction from previous week high level. I live in Florida. Reaction from previous week high level. And yes, it trades back to this range, like overnight range. Nothing significant like is going on so far, but I don't mind to see we taking out liquidity level over here. So we took this flat candle, we got the test of 3-minute OB. That's it for now. No short opportunity, just saying, like, market doesn't care what I want to see, but I believe I will look for potential continuation if it's going to offer 3-minute order block. Yes, 3-minute OB from fair value gap. If from this fair value gap 3-minute order block offered, I may actually try to short to sell side over here. If not, then not. Because I feel like, once again, I would like to see sell side because we broke above consolidation high. I would like to see it going down to take consolidation low with potential reaction back to the range again. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to be patient right now to wait for setup. Funny, I'm fine to wait for 2 hours in case I need to wait for 2 hours. I slept well, but once again, it's still hard for me to wake up at 4:45 a.m. I did force myself to wake up at this time. Let me see. I actually track this. I slept for 7 hours. 7.5 hours. It's okay, I would say. So once again, let's see if gold can offer something today. I don't mind to trade this. Hope to get something good. Okay. So right now, just watching this 3-minute fair value gap and how we can respect this. To respect, I would like to see maybe a 3-minute OB somewhere over here, short, with stop loss above swing high, NTP at liquidity level. Maybe rejection block, like equal bodies over here. I didn't fail a lot. I mean, I recently blew my funded accounts. Apex funded accounts. Happened, so let's move on. So part of the game. We call this like business expenses, right? So idea, either it's going to trade to this fair value gap or it's going to offer order block over here and just continue going lower. Let's see which one is going to work. Yeah, last week I blew my 20 funded accounts. So, waiting for 90% off. Oh, I didn't see it. Give me 1 second. Did you actually? No. I want to take something over here, honestly. Good morning, Frank. Good morning. How are you? Watching gold right now. Also, will keep my eyes on NQ. Maybe it will offer solid M2 model today. But so far, what I don't like about NQ, and yes, it's just overnight chop. And right now it's 9:19 and still nothing is going on. So I didn't blow this for Monday or for 3 days or for 5 days. I just had losing trades like for 3 weeks in a row on NQ. Was trying to trade NQ. Once again, I trade gold on my funded futures and take profit trader. I'm doing fine, like good. Yeah. Apex accounts were for NQ only. So it's okay. That's fine. Part of the game. I will wait for 90% off to buy new accounts. Going to pass 20 accounts again. The problem is NQ did not retrace to equilibrium Friday range. It was quite close, but no. Yeah, this month and especially like this month and second half of July was hard for me as well. But once again, just I think I need to share with you, so you need to know this information. Hello, welcome to my channel. So far, what we're watching, if you just joined, guys, I'm watching if gold can retrace to fair value gap on 3-minute chart and offer 3-minute OB to short to maybe this level, 34.13, or it's going to close below this blue line. At this point, I don't need to see a fair value gap. I will look for exact same short to this 34.13.60. More chop? We will see. So I'm not in a rush, It's going to be 3 prop firms at this point. It's going to be my funded futures, Tradify, and Take Profit Trader. I still believe these 3 prop firms are the best. My top 3, Yesterday I bought Scale Plan. They have 33% off right now on Scale and Pro plans, 100K and 150K. I got 100K to try this. Yeah, 3-minute chart. That's 3-minute chart. Yeah, so I will let you know. I just bought this, so like no trades on it yet. Let's see how it goes. Because before this, I still have core plan, but it's new evaluation with scale right now. So need to pass this first. I believe I need to make 6K. So I did like Top Step, but they stopped working with TradeAway, so it's not for me anymore. Not really bearish. No, not bearish. Just expect to get it tracing back to the range. Like we took consolidation high. I would like to see consolidation low. So that's it. It's not bearish. It just, I guess from like it's just strange so far. Hard to be bearish or bullish at this point. I'm not going to blindly short. As I said, if it's going to present OB, so yes, at this point I will try. If not, then not. So, I will wait for setup. You also blew my take profit trader. Oh, okay. It's okay. No. It doesn't worth to reset your funded account. It's expensive. Zero reason for this. Just buy new evaluation. No. Especially no activation fee. Just try to pass this quickly. Okay. I'm wondering if it's going to close. Can you give us like quick 5 points drop? Only below this blue line. I need to get the closure, or same order block from the order block. It's important. It's going to trade a 3-minute fair value gap or for 3-minute OB. Then I will probably will try to short like this. So, but I am not going to blindly enter the short position from fair value gap. Yeah. Like, let's see which plan is going to play out today. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. It's quite hot today. I don't trade huge size, like 15 micros. Yesterday on the ES, I traded like 2 minutes, but stop loss was like okay because I was risking on $300 on that trade. Actually, it wasn't. It was. Give me 1 second. I'm going to check because I did screenshot of that trade. Going to check right now. Yesterday was 25, right? Where's screenshot? It was 18 micros. Yeah, my bad. $18 micros. Let me show you. On that trade, it was TradeAway. 18 micros on ES short. I'm not sure about like 13 lots on Forex because I have no idea if it's a lot or not. It was 18 micros, not 2 minutes, but close to 2 minutes. Sorry guys about this. What I'm watching on NQ, I'm wondering if may break above, like go to Asia high to offer Judah swing, then short to London low and equilibrium Friday range. My key level for today, because it failed to take this by maybe like 10 points on NQ and just 1 point on ES, equilibrium Friday range. So basically 23,363.50, 64,30.25, equilibrium Friday range. My key levels. Just, it was target yesterday. We discussed this, especially on NQ. We even put magnet there. But my magnet was in only after a market open, after 6 p.m. Still watching this. Let's see if we get something for short. I hope so. Like maybe M2 model, maybe a 30-minute sweep. 3-minute OB entry, I'm going to short. I'm going to wait. Just need to see potential short opportunity, hyper-revealed short opportunity. But as I mentioned before, let's see if we take Asia high first. So at this point, we can get Judah swing. If so, that's amazing. Let's look for short right after this. I just feel like I'm not ready to short just yet from current level. But Asia high on both NQ and ES, then either empty model or potential 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB for entry. Yes, I will take this. Not sure about ES or NQ, we will see. As well as I'm not sure about contract size just yet. We'll adjust according to stop loss. I don't think that's important, honestly. Contract size or something like this. Maybe yes. Yesterday, short on yes was quite obvious. Like I wouldn't say when I was checking in Q, I was like short, not sure. But as I showed you already, my executions on ES yesterday during PM session, it wasn't bad. Let's see. Guys, I believe from the next week, I will start streaming PM session as well. Just trying to tell you guys this. Yeah, from September 1st. I will stream PM session as well. $101%. It's guaranteed. Let's see what we can do this in these PM sessions every day from Monday to Friday. So basically we stream AM session from Monday to Friday and PM session from Monday to Friday. So guys, I'm going to be annoying even more. Every single day, 2 sessions. I know it's going to be hard, but let's do this. Every single day, 2 sessions. So yeah, you're gonna see me more than your family. Yeah, from September 1st. Yeah, it's 101% guaranteed, so not like maybe. Why not? Like 12 to 130, from 1 to 2 to 30. I was asking my husband, please allow me to treat the Asia session, but it's hard, especially with kids. So what I'm watching right now on ESNQ, I'm watching if may take Asia high first to short. Like, please, break above consolidation high, then potential empty model or potential 30-minute sweep, short. Okay, as you know, I only recently started trading with my funded futures, and that's funny, right? And TradingView, so I'm not live with them just yet, just funded. But I will be happy to be live one day, but not yet, unfortunately. I was sticking with Apex for a long time. I started trading my funded futures like maybe 6 weeks ago. Not in sync right now. Okay, market is open. We have SMT just for now. I see gold just entered 3-minute fair value gap. Let's see what will happen from this fair value gap. Let's see. Maybe it will offer better opportunity before 10 a.m. Oh, yours in short? Oh, you're fast. Would like to see Asia high first. I'm not going to lie. We'll look for opportunity to short from Asia high if we get this. We'll wait only 2 models. It's going to be M2 model or potential 30-minute sweep. Which one is going to be first? I will try to short this. But it's a bit early to short this. Hope to get Asia high, at least on one instrument. You got my plan, so let's see how it goes. Also keeping my eyes right now on gold in case we can get reaction from 3-minute fair value gap. Above 3-minute fair value gap, no interest in shorts at all. So last chance to drop is going to be 3-minute fair value gap, as I mentioned before. Let me show you guys. Give me 1 second. This is last chance to drop in case it wants to drop. Let me delete this. Above the 3-minute fair value gap, I will not short. Probably will not touch this. But I feel like I'm going to get perfect trade today or on a yes or NQ. I hope to get this. Okay, Asia high taken on NQ. That's okay. Let's see if a yes might take this level. Why I don't want to short just yet? As I said, I would like to get either M2 model or potential 30-minute sweep. Hello, hello. And at this point, we need to get the structure. We got just straight move up. Obviously, no reason just for now to short, unless you're 100% sure about this reaction. I'm not. So let's see. I'm waiting for a yes to take Asia high as well. Yeah, it will be way better than just in Q. But anyway, we still don't have the model to short something, so it's okay then. Would you say we just did our first... Oh, you mean first present fair value gap? What time it was? Yes, we are. No, no short. Not yet. Preferable to for years to go to Asia high and look for short somewhere there. I agree with you about short zone on NQ. Don't want to even argue about this because it's exactly what I was watching. But on yes, I really would like to see Asia high as well. It's going to be textbook picture at this point. And if we get a 2-minute OB from Asia high or potential 30-minute sweep with 3-minute OB and then short, it's going to be like textbook day. But if not, then not. Then it's okay, you know? Trying to reject. You short and bullish on gold. Once again, above 3-minute fair value gap, I will be bullish as well. Let's see if main word is. Like 40 seconds left. Time to drop. Don't say this, please. I don't see the model to enter the trade. I mean, I agree with you about the zone to short this, but the problem is we don't have any entry yet. Don't say like it's about to drop. Because if it's going to drop right now, it's not going to offer any opportunity for me. No. How it ended up being? I hope you didn't blow this. Don't say let's go, please. It's still too early. I'm not going to believe in this. Let me check news. Guys, do we have any news at 10? Where is my Forex? Today's Tuesday, right? Yeah, we do have some orange folder. At least one smart person. Yeah, long yes or NQ? Yeah, orange folder. I'm not bearish on gold anymore. We just inverted 3-minute fair value gap. That's it. We just got perfect invalidation. Look basically at this reaction from flat candle, as well as from this sell side. Nice. So that's it. We just inverted this fair value gap. I don't see the reason for me right now to short this anymore. It was the last chance to drop to rejection block. We have equal bodies. We have some consolidation low. Right now, no. Yeah, let's wait a bit more for a trade on NQ or yes, but honestly, I just hate it. I just feel like yes, not ready yet. Okay. By the way, let's check SPX, what we have there. We just fill the gap. Okay. Yes, is doing illegal job. No. Not now. Anyway, we don't have empty model. We don't have potential sweep. I mean, we do have potential sweep, but lovely drop. It's because of you, so huge consolidation. Yeah, gold inside consolidation for months already. So yeah, I guess we just on gold what we need to do just trade from premium to discount, from discount to premium. As you can see, we cannot break. Yeah, it wasn't able to break the range for 3 months, I believe, maybe even more. Beautiful day. It's because of you. Okay, we don't have order. I'm going to stay away from shorts. I refuse to believe ES will not pump to Asia high. It have to. It has to bounce to Asia high and then short from there. Maybe slightly higher, but come on, gold. I mean, ES, don't act like this, please. But at the same time, as you can see, both failed to offer 3-minute and 2-minute OB, bearish order blocks, which still supports maybe bullish order flow. See, for example, we didn't get order block, we didn't get OB, we just swept this low. That's it. It's still nothing for me to say like, okay, it's time to short this. I'm not going to short. I really would like to see one more move higher to short, just from higher, a bit higher, please. I'm wondering, can I long above this line to Asia high for just 10 points? Above this blue line long to Asia high, it's going to be like 8 points. Asia high is run. Why? It's not wrong. Asia kills down between 8 p.m. and midnight, so it's okay then. Let's bounce again. Let's bounce again, please. Just one more move higher. Be nice with us. Asia high was taken on Q. I know, but wasn't on yes. I hate this kind of SMT, especially if you go on 4 chart, on yes, you will see we have 4-hour fair value gap right above Asia high. I'm not really worrying about Asia high, but I do worry about this 4-hour bearish fair value gap, which is right at Asia high. Why higher? to enter for our British fair value gap. This one over here, right above Asia high. Please. That main reason. This is why I like Asia high, because it's basically bottom of fair value gap. I like NQ trying to bounce. That's great. Yeah, it wasn't smart to short. We had zero confirmation for short. I will wait. I'm wondering if it's above this blue line, I can long to Asia high for 8 points or so. Let's see how. Okay, it's like 1-to-1. You imagine Asia high, I guess Asia session, but I do use Asia kill zone. It's different. So far, yes, exactly. ES just reversed from nowhere. Just one more bounce, please. Let's break this blue line. By the way, wrong line. It must be over here. We have news in 17 minutes. I believe it's above this blue line is going to be 1-to-1 or so. Exactly 1-to-1. Well, let's see if we get this closure above blue line. Even 1-to-1, maybe it's okay. Let's see if we get the closure first. Why I'm actually watching potential setup for long above blue line. As you can see, we have potential 30-minute sweep. At this point, it seems nice to try to long above blue line. 15-minute chart. What is going on there? I don't care about NQ, you know? Big SMT, right? I'm not going to. I see ES right now is better instrument to trade. If I want to compare, for example, ES and NQ. Initially, I really want to look for the trade continuation on gold, but right now, come on, close. Going to highlight this on NinjaTrader as well. Closure is going to be over here. Okay. Like something like this, you know. Can we get maybe like a bit lower, but something like this? Let's see if I'm engaged in this trade. Yeah, if everyone, you know, like exactly. If I'm looking for pressable trade on ES right now, if everyone is short, isn't short, obviously we need to long this. You just passed your first eval ever. Congratulations. So I will look for the trade on ES, not on NQ once again, only on ES. Look what is going on ES over here. We just did trace to this OB. NQ looks like amazing garbage. Like amazing garbage. We just, by the way, ran this flat candle. We got minor liquidity sweep. Guys, what do you think about Asia high? Doesn't want to go. I mean, let's see. So, yeah, so far, definitely could look better. Look at the yes. Comical price action. We don't have empty model. So far, we have absolutely nothing that I would like to trade. I know. Never took Asia. I mean, like, I feel like ES did not take any important level. MNQ, going to check MNQ right now. Yeah, same chart. No, not for me. If it's going to just drop to equilibrium Friday range, what about 3-minute chart? We just got, I don't know, like it's, I feel like it's sharp so far. Let me check silver. It's 3-minute chart and silver. Okay. Looking at different charts. Watching silver right now, just in case I can get set up there. I'm not going to trade ES and Q for now. So we're trying to just pick 30-minute fair value gap. We just got potential sweep. We got nothing to confirm this sweep yet. What about 5-minute short? Needs to close below this up close candle first. I didn't care about Asia high. Once again, I did care about flower fair value gap right above Asia high. That's why. I still do care about this, honestly. MNQ. It's choppy, so once again, I still not going to short yes. I believe yes. Maybe I'm wrong, but I see yes like reverse from nowhere. Okay, I'm fine with NQ, but my main question about yes, really yes, just reverse from nowhere. But at least we got the test of New York midnight open on both yes and NQ, right? Yeah, Asia, not Asia. New York midnight open retest. I'm watching 3-minute chart right now. SPX. SPX accumulation, manipulation. Let's see if we pump again. I mean, in Q, reverse from Asia high. That's nice, but I still would like to see Asia high on ES as well. That's why I wasn't in trade initially. I didn't believe in this drop. I still kind of, like tricky drop in my opinion. Looking at SPX, it seems like, power of trade to upside so far. What I have here? We just got a test of 1 minute fair value gap, basically stuck between two fair value gaps so far. I still kind of question this. Short. Maybe that's me. Like lots of questions about the short just for now. This micro, yes, okay. Trying to compare price action, micro ES and ES. Guys, who wants to see higher? Let me know. Guys, we have news in 5 minutes, 6 minutes actually. Who wants to see higher to Asia high? I mean, once again, I'm not caring about right now Asia high. I do care about 4 hour fair value gap, right about it. You don't want to see higher? Why? You mean it's going to drop to equal lows first? Why not you don't want to see a 4 hour fair value gap and short? Basically market maker model from there. Okay, I mean, once again, I'm not going to short. Blow counts profile. Okay. So far, I agree. ICT next mentorship waiting. Like, yeah, we weren't ready to to algo changes. But let's be like serious right now. It's just like choppy months. Look at this pump on NQ. I mean, that's nice pump, but I don't understand why ES still struggling with continuation higher to this Asia high. It's bottom of our fair value gap. Everything works. Every single concept works. So every single concept works. Let's check silver. How big risk at this point? No order block. It's like not really a lot. Okay, we have SMT right now. I'm going to check gold real quick. What we have on gold. Gold is garbage. As I said, I'm not going to short from this area anymore. But wondering if I can look for this trade on silver. Will not touch ES 100% right now, as well as NQ. NQ just seek and destroy profile. Account blowing per section. I still, for some reason, feel like we got accumulation, we got manipulation, we took those equal lows on SPX. Why not to pump again? What's wrong with market, guys? We have news in less than 2 minutes, guys. Let's see how it goes. I'm okay to sit flat in case like I need to sit flat today. No setup, no entry. If I don't see any setup, guys, no model. So far, classic seek and destroy. Look at this 30-minute candle. Look at this hourly candle. Hope no one is going to blow account today because that's crazy. I mean, I always check high time frame, you know this. But I know we have huge SMT between ES and NQ. Yes, I do see this. But overall structure still reminds me seek and destroy profile. Hard to talk about trend line because we actually expecting trend line over here and over here. Like it's like triangle. Or how we call this. Unfortunately, yeah, that's hard to trade this AM session recently. I don't understand why it's so choppy. I mean, like, why? I know I'm not going to touch probably ES until it pumps first. At least new sweep over here. Asia high, and then, okay, I will think about potential trade. Now, Asia high, I will just stay away. I see nothing wrong with this. I already explained why I would like to see higher on ES. We have far fair value gap there. And considering only SMT as confirmation of reversal doesn't make any sense to me. Once again, yes, we do have SMT between ES and NQ at this Asia high. But really to consider, if I want to look for short, I would like to look for short from high from P0. Once again, Asia high is bottom of far fair value gap. But it's choppy. It's definitely choppy, so I don't see any reason to risk something right now. Guys, we had news, but nothing happened. Like 2 minutes ago, I just realized we had news 2 minutes ago, and really nothing happened. Okay. All right. Market bullshit profile. Going to London. You don't want to see Asia high first. I do like to see Asia high first. I already said many times. Then short. It's not red folder news, but orange folder news usually offers some volatility. Okay. All we need is just pump to a little bit higher. We have gap. Yes, that was news gap. It's annoying to sit flat for now. Like, I prefer to be done before market open most of the time, but nothing to share today. Pump, please. Just asking. In case you can pump there. I'm just asking. It's not that hard, trust me. We just broke consolidation, so I believe it's not going to be weak. Just pump to Asia high. No, just weak so far. Is it a joke? But we need to be patient, guys. Wait for setup. At least something. Wait for at least something. Trying to compare right now micro and ES, and ES exactly same week. So far just weekend. Cannot break this consolidation at all. See how many times it was trying to break this consolidation, this level. I guess we have some sort of level here, because price is struggling at this level, 57, 58. Well, I'm just going to be probably flat for now. It's fine. Never offered empty model. Not going to give up. I mean, it's still too early, just 10 a.m., but lots of games. But also, like, I never saw empty model. Yeah, gold stuck right now. At this point, hard to pick the right bias on silver, for example. Yes, higher will be amazing, brilliant, perfect. But it is what it is. By the way, guys, yesterday I upgraded my iPhone. I mean, like, not iPhone, my phone. It was like 6, Fold 6. I got 7. And it's like huge difference. Like, as you can see, like, it's two similar phones, but it's 7, it's 6. But look the difference between, like, their size. Twice. See this? Crazy, right? I was like, I'm not going to upgrade this. Like, it's basically new. I use this for 1 month, maybe less than 1 month. But when I saw the difference, like, differences, it's like twice. It's a fun. I like this font. It's easy, like, for trading. But it's like, it's amazing. Make more money? I don't know. It didn't help me yet. But yeah, I was surprised to see. I went to the store. I was like, let me just check this. I'm going to just compare. And I was like, no way. It's amazing. But guys, I'm going to be brave. I'm not going to buy case. I'm not going to buy case for this. Wish me good luck. Sell me the old one. You want this? Yes, both 10 and 9. Oh, okay. I'm wondering above this weeks. Can I long? Second attempt to long this. Be ready. Because I see no reason right now to try to long this, because as you can, oops guys, sorry, it's just weekend here. It's really struggling so far. It's annoying. The hardest part, you said market really wants to drop, but I really don't see any entry, any confirmation for drop just yet. And if it's going to drop, I will be disappointed because I still don't see any signs of drop just yet, especially on ES. I'm checking gold. Gold is garbage right now. I would like to see pump. I would like to see pump to Asia high. And after this, I will agree about drop. It was quite obvious from the very beginning, and I was really surprised to see how ES failed. I still surprised to see it keeps failing, you know? Will this hold? I mean, break above this consolidation? I hope so. It just weakened so far. But guys, our task is to be patient right now. Just wait for setup. Once again, it's also funny to see we got once again one more potential sweep, but we still cannot it cannot create order block. It's just weaken, which makes this look so bad. I'm going to be flat. I'm okay with this. Just for now. If it's not going to pump, it's a scam. Once again, never blame the market for your losses because it's you, not market. You cannot be patient, you're just chasing the price. When clearly inside consolidation, when we never ever saw any change in structure, change in order flow, change in the state of delivery, chasing this price, I mean, like for big liquidity levels, like sell side or buy side liquidity levels, such Asia, London, or previous day low, previous day high, doesn't make any sense. We really need to trade break above consolidation or below consolidation. Sometimes, yes, we need to use retail stuff to trade this, because maybe that's me, but ICT doesn't work inside consolidation. Maybe that's me, but from my personal experience, inside consolidation, ICT doesn't work. So trading inside this consolidation, it's, for me, I know it's going to be a bad idea, because I'm not perfect in trading consolidation. But I'm fine. When entry, let's see, I don't know, I'm still sitting flat, just waiting for something to happen. Already annoyed. I'm still flat. Yeah. See, it doesn't want to break this range. I don't know what kind of level we have there, but it's really trying to just respect this so far. Just take Asia high. Asia high takes this. You trade consolidation really well. You trade basically support and resistance, or what? I'm not touching gold. Gold was inside the areas that are not valid for shorts. Yes, so not touching this. Even if it wants to drop. CRT is consolidation trading, like on high time frame. Yes, guys, I'm talking about Asia high on ES. Only about Asia high on ES. That's it. Truly believe we need to take this level. You don't trade CRT. I mean, I never watched any videos about CRT, but I believe it's the same, like potential sweep with order block as an entry, right? Hello. Who just joined? Hello, guys. Good morning. We're still waiting for setup. If you just joined, guys, we're waiting for ES to break above Asia high. And that's it. Yeah, it's starter soup, right? Why? I don't really care about Asia high, but I do care about 4-hour fair value gap right above Asia high. So basically, Asia high is the bottom of 4-hour fair value gap. So I truly believe if I would like to look for a market maker sell model, I would like to look for a market maker sell model from premium array, right? Which is going to be fair value gap. And this fair value gap is going to be on 4 chart. 4 chart can offer structure, for example, on 5-minute chart. I know, it makes sense to pump, but it's really struggling. Yeah, I don't really care about Asia high. Coincidentally, it just lines up with bottom of our fair value gap. That's it. Because if we are going to respect for our fair value gap, confirmed by, for example, on 5-minute chart, smart money reversal. So at this point, yes, we are going to end the market maker sell model. I will short this. On yes, I don't really like NQ. Just needs to pump somehow. Let me see. I believe it's 4 chart. Over here. I'm talking about this one. See? That's my key area. I just truly believe right now, yes, it's the middle of nowhere. Hello. Good morning. Oh, you're welcome. It's just right now hard to pick any entry because I'm not quite sure where to put stop loss. Because if I'm going to, for example, enter over here with stop loss at this swing low, basically this swing low doesn't really matter. It's not important at all, simply because it's part of nothing. So we didn't get break of structure just yet to upside. And considering this stop loss as like protected low, not smart. It's not protected low. Yeah, I said ICT doesn't work for me inside consolidation, not for everyone. Yes. So basically, this area will be valid for market maker sell model on 5-minute chart. So in order to confirm market maker sell model, we need to get smart money reversal. So it's not like limit order right here. Obviously not. Where you said, what do you mean? Crazy. Okay. Gold still garbage. Silver still garbage. You want to long? I do like to long again, but I will chase the price simply because I don't see perfect entry right now. Oh, you learned Russian? Once again, I do like to enter long on ES, but yes, I will feel like I am chasing the price. Oh, hello, hello. I'm from Belarus, by the way, but yeah, speak Russian. All accounts were sent long time ago. Please check your email. Yeah, for 4 chart, I need to use 15-minute smart money reversal, but 5 minute also is enough, you know? Not maybe, it's not going to be like super safe trade, but still, if it's going to present, let's say, order block with market structure shift, order block, and inversion for a while gap, that will be enough. So 3K is good. What do you mean? I guess I missed it. Oh yeah, yeah, that's fine. I have straight to funded with funding 6. I didn't try the Pro Plus yet. Also, my funded futures running like 33% off. I bought scale plan yesterday. So it's just beginning balance so far. I didn't take any trades there just yet. Really would like to long this, guys. Not going to chase. I'm going to wait for the model. Scale plan. Yes, I can trade news on scale and core plan, but I cannot trade on pro plan. Yeah. Actually, I have like evaluation with my funded teachers. I can trade evaluation today. Like, why not? It's only 6 points away from Asia high. Okay, I'm not 7 points away from fair value gap. Oh my god. I don't trade rejection block. No, this setup is based on pretty much the same model as trade on gold. I just would like to see this long trade. Like, okay, if I want to grade from 1 to 5, it's like 3. Okay, my funded futures running sale for 100K and 150K for scale and pro, not for core plan. How do you know if it's actual liquidity sweep or continuation? Depends where we are on high time frame. You know? Yeah, let me know for 100K. Why I would like to try probe but not scale? What's the reason? Oh, consistency. Okay, I got it. It had to go to this buy side liquidity level. Not because of its seek and destroy. It just didn't make any sense to drop like initially when it was like huge rejection. I was like, what? Yes, definitely not inside short zone, as we discussed this before. And really, in order to consider potential reversal, we need to enter some sort of PD ray. And PD ray is going to be for our fair value gap. First sounds better. I know. Once again, I agree that this has 3. It's not 2, but it's not 4 and 5. It's 3. It's basically based on models that trade on gold. We got potential sweep. Didn't make any sense initially to enter over here, but we got new candle. It's like continuation. How I become so, it's what's the issue. I had exactly the same problem many times when I was just trying to chase the price, and I was like, okay, I'm going to long this simply because I would like to long this. And the problem is I didn't use any model for this. I just want to see market higher. This means market has to go higher because I said so. And then I stopped doing this and just trying to stick to model and just like overall logic on high time frame. If I see ES at the middle of nowhere, what's the point to drop from nowhere? Even if I see textbook set up on lower time frame, but I clearly can see high time frame level still, for example, higher, how can I short this? I'm just trying to think logically, right? That's why I said before, when I saw this huge black candle, like down close candle, I saw I'm not going to execute this short simply because the short doesn't make any sense, especially on ES, right? Also, I said I don't care about NQ because we are not friends anymore. We are not friends with NQ anymore. Okay, let's see how we can respect this for our fair value gap. That's major zone. So basically, for our fair value gap can be PDRA for market maker style model on low time frame. Let's see. It still did not hit any levels. I still would like to see 3, 4, maybe 5 points higher on ES. Can we consider? Let me check. You mean which one? Like this one? Oh yeah, of course. If you're talking about this hourly order block, of course, especially mean threshold will hold this, will support bearish bias. So they are basically bearish below 64.73.25. Yes, that's right. We can. No, it was 5-minute chart, I guess. Mm-hmm. Still did not hit any level. Still, obviously cannot consider short. The question is if we may actually hit this, right? But once again, guys, from September 1st, I will stream both sessions, AM and PM session. As you know, gold and silver CL for PM session, like not tradable. I will look for trades on NQNES. It's 101% granted information. I will check. It's my funded futures. It's very slow, so yeah. I will stream PM session for 2 hours, maybe less. But every single day from Monday to Friday, I will stream AM and PM session. Because let's be honest, guys, like PM compared to YM is better. Oh, take profit trader. When it was, let me make a note. When it was, tell me. That's strange. Which day it was? When you won this account? I will check if I send you. Hello, hello, long time no see you. Tell me the day when you won this giveaway. I'm just gonna check if I send you email, but I'm pretty sure I did.